the second night, my routine is pretty much the same. I don't really do much to my hair because the products that I use on wash day also largely determines how long my style is going to be maintained. I know what it's like to have a great wash day. You define your curls, your hair's volume, it's just looking on point, and you've got a great style. And then you go to bed and you wake up the next morning and your hair looks completely different. Literally no one has the time to do a full wash day routine every single day. Hello Han, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Robyn. I run a holistic beauty blog called Be Whole, and in this space we're all about feeling beautiful from inside out. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my sleep routine and how I'm able to maintain the same style for up to 4 days using very minimal steps and very few products. So I've really kind of perfected this sleep routine for myself. When I had shorter hair, my steps were a little different, so I'm going to share that as well. And throughout the week, my steps changed slightly, so I'm going to be sharing what I do from the first day right up to the 5th. So if you want to know more about how I style my hair and how I maintain it at night and the type of products that I use, keep on watching. Firstly, let's get into the type of products that I use. Oils are really great to apply at night because you wake up the next morning and you've got that healthy sheen, and you don't really want to apply water-based products to your hair after you've styled it because that's going to cause frizz and it's going to cause your hair to lose definition. So what I do from day one is I use a satin scarf. Here is my satin scarf that I use. I have quite a few. And what I will do is, because my hair is quite long, I'll wrap it from the back of my head to the front, obviously ensuring that the satin part of the scarf covers my hair. I don't even tie my hair, but what you can do is you can tie your hair in a pineapple. So you literally just lift your hair, and then you would use a scrunchie like loosely to tie it, and then you would wrap it from the bottom to the front. So I tie my hair, imagining that this is the pineapple now, and then I tie the scarf from the back to the front, from the back to the front. And then all I do is tuck it in on top. And this is also how I go to shower at night. Because obviously when you're going into the shower, your hair will get frizzy. If applying a scarf to your head is not a thing for you at night, what you can do is just sleep on a satin pillow. You put the pillowcase, a satin pillowcase, over your normal pillow at night. That's all you have to do. You can get satin pillowcases anywhere these days, and if your hair is shorter, it's actually really easy. All you need to do is get a satin bonnet. So your hair is obviously shorter, there's not this big pineapple, so you would just have your hair in its normal style and then use the satin bonnet. So on the second night, my routine is pretty much the same. I don't really do much to my hair because the products that I use on wash day also largely determines how long my style is going to be maintained. I use a flaxseed hair gel, which I will leave for you in the description below. As well as like the wash day products that I use. I do have a playlist on different wash day products for type 4 hair, so if you want to see that, it's also in the description. But by the third night, my hair is looking a little more frizzy, it has less definition, and it needs a little bit of a boost. So what I will normally do is, like I said to you, I will apply an oil, and the oil that I'm using a lot right now is my natural hair strengthening oil, and it's this one. And I like this oil because it's got a mixture of a lot of my favorite oils like avocado, almond oil, and olive oil, grapeseed, castor oil. And then the Ladine Brazil nut oil is also amazing if you can get your hands on it. So those are the oils you want to apply to your hair at night, like maybe by day 3 or 4. What I also want to recommend is that if you are applying oil to your hair overnight, ensure that you tie your hair or that you're wearing a satin scarf, because oil will be seeping into your hair if you're using the right oil, like one that's non-comedogenic. We've spoken about this in previous videos. Oils that can really be absorbed onto your hair and that doesn't leave a greasy residue. But if you still have a little bit of greasy residue, you don't want that product going onto your face during the night while you're like tossing and turning and stuff. So I would suggest, if you're not into wearing a satin scarf at night, just ensure that your hair is either like in a pineapple, or that you have like a little bit of a low bun, so that your hair is not like going in and out of your face, because you don't want to get like acne and those type of things. So by night 4 and 5, my hairstyle is at its end. Like I either need to do a full wash day, or I need to do like a sleek protective style. So what I normally do, and I've done this for Jim as well, is that I create a mini twist. So I will divide my hair into 4 sections, and I will just loosely twist my hair. So I'm just going to show you. Especially if I was going out of the gym and I needed to get ready there, then I would just twist my hair into like 4 mini twists like this, and then I would like tie that up so that I can gym freely, and then after gym I would just loosen it, and so that the style is maintained depending on your hair length. If your hair is shorter, then you wouldn't need to do this, but if you have longer hair, then this is a hack that really helps to maintain the definition at night, or like if you're going to gym. So that's pretty much the routine that I do. Just to summarize, now that I have longer hair, from like night 1 to 2, I will just use a satin scarf, or I will sleep on a satin pillow. And when my hair was shorter, I just used to apply a satin bonnet, and that was for when I went to like shower as well. The same applies when you shower as to when you sleep. And like night 3 to 4, I will apply some oil so that my hair maintains moisture and so that it doesn't lose that healthy sheen. And then by night 4 to 5, I'm creating mini twists so that I can maintain the definition from the first day. So if you want to know more about the products that I use on my hair currently as someone with type 4 hair, go into the description box and watch my wash day videos, because that's basically the products that I'm using right now, the products that I get to review each week. And like this video if you enjoyed it and you want to see more, and subscribe to my channel so that you're notified when I upload a new video every week. Also, shout out to Letitia Kisting, for requesting this video. If you want to request the video, you can just DM me on IG, because I'll probably respond to you much quicker on there, or you can just leave a comment below. YouTube has now changed the comment section to be above, so it's literally below the description. Don't go right to the end. I get annoyed myself when I want to comment on other people's videos. So just filling you in that the comments are not at the bottom anymore, they're like just below the description. Cool, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one.